Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is operations on rational numbers. We'll solve practice set 22. It's part 2. If you didn't watch part 1, press here on I button. So let's begin.
So write down this question. Carry out the following subtractions involving rational numbers. First one, 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. Now we'll multiply this fraction with 7 and this fraction with 11. So take this first fraction down as it is. Multiply sign and multiply with 7. This denominator we are multiplying to this first fraction, minus sign as it is. Second fraction, 3 upon 7, multiply, we will multiply with this 11. Due to call 7 sevens are 49 upon 11 sevens are 77 minus 11 threes are 33 upon 77. As we have equal denominators, we can do subtraction of numerators. So let us subtract 49 minus 33 upon 77. 49 minus 33 is 16 and denominator as it is 77. Draw a box around it. Second sum, 13 upon 36, 2 upon 40. Again, if you will do here cross multiplication, then the calculation will come, it's very big. Therefore what we will do, we will take LCM of these two numbers, then it will be easy for us to calculate or to subtract the numbers. 36 and 40, here 2, here 18, here 20, here 9 and here 10. LCM equals 2 into 2 into 9 into 10. 9 to the 18, 18 to the 36 into 10 is 360. Okay. Now 13 upon here 36 multiply by what it comes 360 multiply by 10. Here also 10. 13 into 10 is 130. This will be number 1. Now take this 2 upon 40 here. We need 360. So now tell me 40 multiplied by what?
9 sir.
Correct. Here also 9 and here also 9 will come. Therefore 9 to the 18 upon 360 and this is your point number 2. So take this number and this number down. 130 upon 360 minus 18 upon 360.
Sir, please take your paper up.
Yes, I took it. Now 130 minus 18 upon 360. From 10 we have to subtract here 8. So we'll get here 2 and here it remains 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 360. And now what we will do? If we see both numbers, these are divisible by 2, these are also divisible by 4 and also divisible by 8. So we will divide, we will reduce it to the simplest form. When we divide it by 8, here we get 14 and here we will get 45. This answer is also correct and this also you can reduce it. Now third one is mixed fraction, 1 and 2 by 3 minus 3 and 5 by 6. 5 by 3 minus 6 3 are 18 plus 5 is 23 by 6. So here 5 by 3 minus 23 by 6. Now if we see, here 3 is there, here 6 is there. In the table of 3, 6 comes at second place. Therefore multiply numerator and denominator by 2 so that we will get equal denominator and then we can subtract it. Take this first fraction down, 5 by 3 and multiply with 2 equals 5 to the 10 by 6. This is your first point and this is the second itself. So take here 10 upon 6 minus 23 by 6. Now 10 minus 23 upon 6. See it carefully. When we subtract, bigger number should be first and smaller number should be at the second place. But here we have smaller number first and bigger number at second place. So what we have to do? We will do subtraction from here bigger number minus smaller number, but we will give negative sign. Yes, Rutika Patil, negative 13, correct answer.
13, sir.
Minus 13 upon 6 is your correct answer. Fourth sum is also a mixed fraction. 4 and 1 by 2 minus 3 and 1 by 3. Again convert it into improper fraction or simple fraction. Multiply this 4 and 2 and add this numerator. 4 to the 8 plus 1 equals 9 by 2 minus 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Now this first fraction we will multiply with 3 and the second fraction will multiply with 2. Cross multiplication. So 9 upon 2 multiply by 3 equals 9 3s are 27, 2 3s are 6, 10 by 3. As I said, we have to multiply this fraction with 2. So multiply here with 2, 10 to the 20, 3 to the 6. This will be your point number 2. Now we can subtract it. 27 by 6 minus 20 by 6. We have equal denominator. Now
Okay,
here
sir,
27
okay.
minus 20 how much? 7 and denominator 6 as it is. This is your final answer. 7 by 6. Question number 3. Multiply the following rational numbers. First sum 3 by 11 multiply by 2 by 5. Whenever there is multiplication sign in between the fractions, you have to multiply upper numbers and you have to multiply lower numbers. It means you have to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 3 multiply by 2 upon 11 multiply by 5. 3 to the 6
11
and 11 5 is
55.
55, correct. 6 by 55 is the correct answer. Write down number 2. 12 by 5 into 4 by 15. Now, what we have to do it here, you have to see 12 and 15. These two numbers comes in which table? Both the numbers in which table it comes? 12.
Sir, 3.
Yes, correct.
3.
I will split this number 12 as a 3 4s are 12. Okay. And here this 4 as it is. Now 5 I will write as it is, and here 3 hows are 15, 3 5s are 15. In this way you have to split 15 as a 3 into 5 and 12 is 3 into 4. Remaining this 4 and this 5 I have written as it is. What you have to do, if you will see equal numbers up and down, you have to do here division. It means you have to cut this 3 and these 3. Same number appears up and down, then only you have to cut. Otherwise you will think here also 4 is there, here also 4 is there, you will cut it. Here 5 is there, here 5 is there, I will cut it. No. Only you have to balance it, upper number and lower number. Understand? Therefore now remaining numbers you have to multiply. 4 into 4 16,
16.
5 into 5
25. 25.
So this is your answer. Similarly, see the third one, but in third sum negative sign is there. Negative 8 by 9 multiply by 3 by 4. Now if we see in the table of 4 8 comes and in the table of 3 9 comes. I will write here minus sign separate, and now 8 we can write 4 into 2 multiply by 3 upon 9 we can write 3 into 3 and 4 we can write as it is. Now tell me, up and down, which numbers are same? Here 4 is there, here 4 is there, so cut this 4 and this 4. Here 3 is there and here 3 is there, we can cut this. Now what is left here? 2 is left and 3 is left, minus sign is left, so negative 2 by 3 is your answer. Fourth one, write down 0 upon 6 multiply by 3 upon 4. No need to do any split, just write down 0 into 3 and 6 into 4. Here 0 into 3 is 0 by, no need to write anything here, I will write down as it is and answer is 0, because any number if we divide or multiply, answer comes 0. Yes, now write down question number 4. Question number 4, write the multiplicative inverse. First one is 2 upon 5. This is the easiest question. Only you have to shift the upper number down and bottom number you have to shift up.
Sir, like reciprocal.
Yes, correct. Reciprocal and multiplicative inverse is the same. Exchange the numbers. So answer will be 5 will go up and 2 will go down.
5 upon 2.
5 upon 2.
Here is no any calculation, only you have to exchange. Do you know exchange offer? Negative 3 upon 8, correct. Minus 8 upon 3, don't do anything with the minus sign. Third one, 17 upon 39, correct. Minus 39 upon 17, 7. Listen here, if any single number will be there, its denominator is always 1, understand? Therefore answer is
1 upon 7.
1 upon 7. And last, minus 7 and 1 by 3. See, this is the mixed fraction. First you have to convert it into simple fraction. Directly you cannot write. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 minus 22 upon 3. Now we got this improper fraction. Minus 3 upon 22 is the multiplicative inverse of this question.
That's all for this video. If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel as it's totally free and press bell icon. Like and share this video. And finally, thanks for watching and supporting. God bless you all.